Hello Bonnie, I'm Roger here, Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. Thanks again for your business. I do appreciate it. I know this Sprinter van's going to go to Brown Foreman. Like I said, Bonnie, on the phone, that I would do a walk around video so you can see that it's the same exact look and size as the previous Sprinter vans that you've purchased. So we'll come around here to the passenger side and we'll get a nice view of the van from a distance so you can see that it's the same exact look, same size. And I'll open up the sliding door, the capacity, the shell inside, it's exactly the same size. This one's got a rubber mat on the floor. It's got sidewall paneling. It's got the cargo partition. And we'll take a walk around the back of the van. It has the rear step for easy access in and out of the back of the van. The doors open up 270 degrees as well, just like your previous vans. They just don't have the magnets on the exterior to hold the doors open any longer. They've actually designed a new hinge to do that, so it will still hold the door wide open. It's got the backup camera just above the third brake light. So in the cab of the van, in the rear view mirror, you'll be able to see that backup camera. And you'll be able to see behind very well. And then we'll get a nice shot of the driver's side too, so you can see the complete van. And then this is a 2020. It is brand spanking new. And we'll get a shot of the cab area for you as well. So Bonnie, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. I know you have my cell phone number. It's 207-838-0169. Thank you so much, Bonnie.